again on our Bangkok trip. This morning we have been teaching the girls English. Today our topics were directions and food. In the morning we taught them more about the difference between left and right and actually giving directions to foreigners. We played a game and had the girls running everywhere. Once we actually got it through, it was fantastic. Very competitive group of girls. Second of all, we went through the foods and explaining the difference between the different meats, rice, noodles, soup, and also vegetables. We took that and actually applied it to going out into the marketplace and buying lunch. We've had an excursion today where we got our groups and actually got on this truck-like thing where you'll pile into the back, jump on and get off 6 bar later. This afternoon we've gone to have a look at what the girls do for work. They work 4 hours a day for the Well. In that they're producing cards, books, photo albums and jewellery. They have some semi-precious jewellery and they also have some little bracelets like things that they produce for 50 baht. This sustains them. They have to, the money they earn from this working actually provides them with food and their accommodation. This afternoon we spent some time together in worship and just letting each other know how we feel about what we've seen and what we've experienced, and what we're going to take away from the experience that we've had in Bangkok. We had dinner this evening together, and then we've gone to New Song Church to attend their small group study, where we've been serenaded by beautiful music and wonderful people. We have just had a great time here. We're having heaps of fun. Bangkok is a wonderful, colourful place that has so many different things to experience. I'd just like to thank everyone for praying for us, and this has been a fabulous trip. Thank you.